In this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo code for Southwest Airlines. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser. And now from here, inside Google, type in promo code for Southwest Airlines. And now once you're inside here, you have a whole list of results. So you can go to southwest.com to find promo codes there. You got coupon, follow, Southwest, real time me not, etc. So you can check out any one of those third-party websites, but the one I like to use for this particular airline company is coupon follow. So you got 50% off here, so enjoy a 50% discount using their promo code. But there's other ones here you can activate as well, so they all work the same. So what I'm going to do for this demonstration is click on the enjoy a 50% discount using their promo. So now I've got this promo code here, so simply click on it to copy it and then paste this code at the checkout section of Southwest Airlines to activate your 50% discount.